In this video, I'll show you how to create a story on Telegram. Now, the first thing you have to do is open up your Telegram. After open the Telegram, just swipe up and at the top left corner, you can find my story option. Just tap here. Then just allow Telegram to take pictures and record video. Now from here, you can take picture. You can also take video. And if you want to choose any picture from your gallery, just tap on this icon and choose any picture from your gallery. Then tap on next. From here you can customize your story. You can see who can see your story. Everyone, my contacts, friend and selected users. If I select my contacts, and you can enable or disable two options, allow screenshots and post to my profile. I'm just disable it. Then tap on post story. Give it a moment. You can see it's uploading the pictures and it's upload complete. Just tap here to view it. And here it is. And that is how you can create a story on Telegram. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.